be framing Bess Houdini by Medusa The Dollmaker. And this is actually a painting that we finished a long time ago. We just haven't had a chance to frame it yet. And it's because I've been having a difficult time finding a frame that is wide enough to fit the entire picture. So another option to avoid having to cut off a portion of the painting is actually to have it wrap around your frame. How exactly are we going to do this? It's really simple. So I'm going to show you a video of how I will frame Bess Houdini. There she is, holding an hourglass of time. Isn't that gorgeous? We have electric diamonds for her jewelry and also a portion of that jewel on her chest that holds her sort of shawl together. And then we have gold crystals for the time. So I'll be framing this wherein it's going to wrap around the sides of a canvas. So here are the tools that you will need. So here's my canvas. I'm going to open this up. And on the back, so the back will look like this. So if you've got one of those gun staples, you can actually just staple this since you won't see the back side, and it's ready to hang, right? So you just basically clip that and staple it and you're done. You don't even have to cut any other part of this since the canvas fits just perfectly around it. But because I don't have a gun staple, I'm going to simply glue it onto this painter's canvas. So what I'm going to do now is actually just keep it like this. I'm not going to cut this side anymore, and I'll just keep it like this. To do is I go around in like a spiral like this, what Reggie's doing right now, up to the point where I reach the middle. That way you can make sure that you cover at least about an inch. Every inch you have glue, so when you finally lay the canvas on top, you've got enough stickiness, enough adhesive to keep the canvas on your frame. Since we glued the other part. So now, after you do that spiral, what I do is I do a zigzag and then another zigzag this way. This way, I'm covering a lot of the area. And now, we lay it flat. You can flip it over so that you can press down even further and make sure that it is laying flat on your canvas and that the adhesive really sticks and binds together. You can use like a a baker's rolling pin to ensure that this is the case too. So now that we've stuck that part, now we'll need to glue the sides onto the frame, which is the easy part actually. So now we apply more glue. I do the zigzag again and then the zigzag the other direction. And of course we do this end as well. Okay, now that you have enough glue, you simply wrap it around. Focusing on the sides first, like so, and then pulling tight onto the white part of the canvas. Press down, make sure that it's tight, and we'll have to let that dry while we work on the other side. Down, and we press down on the front side. And there you have it. Super easy framing with the sides of the canvas wrapped around your painter's canvas. That way you don't actually cut off anything else except for the top part and the bottom part, which obviously is just the excess of the picture. As you can see, I still have the codes on the back, which can be useful, especially if you want it for reference, so you don't have to snip off this part if you just have it folded over onto your painter's canvas, and it gives it that full feel because you don't have the picture just in the front, you have it on the sides as well. So when this is hanging up on the wall, it looks like it's really wrapping around the frame, which I think gives it a different kind of feel from the typical way that we usually frame our diamond paintings. Here's Bess Houdini by Medusa The Dollmaker, all framed and wrapped around in its frame. So we're now going to basically place it on the wall. There you go. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It was hopefully something that's easy for you to follow. If you have any questions, all you have to do is jot it down below. And please like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up sign, and don't forget, if you subscribe, hit that bell sign as well so that you don't miss another video notification from us. Thanks, till next time, bye!